Hey guys, it is Louisa and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be doing a Shein haul. So basically today when this is getting uploaded is Black Friday, which literally is my favourite day of the year because if you don't know me, I love shopping and I love getting deals. So like Black Friday is just like a great day for me because I can go shopping and get loads of great deals. So a company called Shein very kindly offered to send me some clothes to review in a video. This is not paid or anything, they literally just said, hey, we can send you like 6 clothes and you can like share them in a video if you want. So that's what I'm doing today. And I just wanted to let you know that Shein are having a load of offers on this Black Friday. They have so many sales and you can get an extra 15% off using my code Louisa15, which I'll put on the screen now. It gets you an extra 15% off your order, so you can like save yourself loads of money. And if you didn't know, Shein's like a really good website because they sell loads of like trendy like in clothes for like really affordable prices. So I'll link their website down below and all of the clothes featured in the video. And make sure to give the video a massive thumbs up if you enjoy it and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. So this is literally my favourite thing ever. I'm obsessed with them and it is these camo trousers. They're literally so nice. Like you can't really see them right now because they're like quite long and my camera doesn't like pick up everything, but they're basically like black, like grey and white, like camo trousers. They're so nice. They're like high-waisted. They've got like these little like pocket things like on the leg. They look literally the same as like the Urban Outfitters and Topshop ones. So if you're like me and you don't like paying Topshop and Urban Outfitters prices, you can literally get identical camo trousers from Shein. I think they're £18, I believe. And they're probably on offer right now and you can get an extra 15% off using my code. So yeah, I'll definitely link them down below. They literally fit me perfectly. Like they're perfect around the waist. They come with a belt as well, by the way, but like that's in my cupboard somewhere. Got these belt hooks so you can use your own belt. And I got them in a size small if you're wondering. I'm normally like a UK 8 in clothes. I already worn them and I only got them like a few days ago, so that just shows you how much I actually love them. The next thing which they sent me is also so cute. It's just like this fluffy jumper and it's honestly like the cutest little jumper I've ever seen. It's like this really nice like grey kind of fluff at the top and then it goes down into like white and it's got like a pocket in here and it's one of them like zip like jumper things, you know, like the really trendy like jumpers at the minute have these like half zip things. It's got one of them which I think adds a really nice touch because without it would kind of be plain, but yeah, it's so nice. Literally it's the softest material. Like I cannot explain how like soft and like cuddly it is. Like you literally feel like a teddy bear in this. The only thing I would say is it is fairly thin. Like inside it's not got this fluff, which I kind of wish it did, but still is super affordable and you can just wear like a top underneath to keep you extra warm. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be wearing this all the time in winter and it's so soft and cuddly. I literally cannot explain. It's like a blanket. And the next thing which I have to show you is our hoodie because I just love my jumpers and hoodies at this time of the year, and it's this gorgeous like pastel blue oversized hoodie. Literally it's the comfiest hoodie I've ever like worn. Like my one from Topshop, it like isn't as good as this. Like the quality of it's amazing. It's like a really nice, you can't really see, but it's a really nice like fleece material which keeps you so warm. And I got mine in a medium, so it's like quite oversized, which I love in my jumpers because it's nice and baggy. You can wear it on a nice cold winter's day when you're snuggling up, watching Netflix films and having your hot chocolate, you know. I just love this and I love the colour of it and it's really affordable as well, and I'm definitely going to be wearing it all the time in the winter and like any time of the year. Like even in the summer I'm going to be living in this because it's so nice. And the next thing which they sent me is this skirt. I think this skirt's so cute. Like I feel like this kind of like material and like print is really in at the moment on like skirts. I need to find it on the website because I've forgotten what you call this skirt. Oh, I know what it is now. It's a frayed trim plaid tweed skirt. That's the word that I was looking for, tweed. It's a tweed skirt and I think it's so cute. Like I just feel like a little businesswoman in it. I don't know, I just love it. It fits quite nicely as well. I just think this with like tights in the winter would be so cute. It's like feels really good quality and yeah, I really like it. And this is in a size extra small. And I also have another skirt which is really cute. It's this like black corduroy skirt. I just don't think you can go wrong with these kind of skirts in the winter because you can just wear them with tights and cute little like jumpers or long sleeve tops. Quite thin though, which I would say, but it was really affordable, so you can't really complain. Again, this is in a size extra small, so I'd recommend extra small if you're like quite petite like me. I can definitely see myself wearing it a lot in the autumn and winter, and again it was really affordable, and you can get an extra 15% off using my code Louisa15, so I'll link all of these items down below. And the last thing which they sent me is probably the least wintry thing, but I thought I'd show you guys anyway. Basically like a t-shirt dress, and I think this is so nice. I don't know, it's not really giving it justice right now, but it fits so nicely. Like, it's quite tight fitting, which I really like because it like makes your figure look really good. It's basically like black and white stripes, and I think this would be perfect like on holiday when it's quite hot, just to pop on, like if you go out somewhere, or like in the summer with a denim jacket. I think it would look really cute. And yeah, I actually really like this. Like, when I ordered it online I was like, oh, it might be quite nice, but I actually really like it. Like, I genuinely love it. I cannot wait to wear this in the summer. Yeah, I really like this, and it feels like a really nice material as well. And again, this is in its size extra small. I feel like the style of Shein clothes and like the sizing fits me really well, because all of the clothes that I've ever ordered from Shein have always fit me like perfectly. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just good at picking sizes. And I've got a cough. I'm quite ill. I had yesterday off school because I felt really sick, so yeah, ignore that. I don't know if I sound ill, but yeah. So that's all of the clothes which they sent me. I hope you all have a really good Black Friday and go spending, because you guys deserve it. You're all amazing. You're all like supporters of me, so why not? You need to go treat yourself. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a massive thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys all on Sunday for a new video. Bye!